Miss,
Okay,
wait a
if you
second.
have, oh yeah, please check and tell me whether you have anything to discuss from exercise 11.1, the last week's homework. And I received Sahria's work, I guess. She sent me the homework. Very good. Others also, please try to send your homework so that I can check it. And check, did I give you 11.2 also as homework? So can you check and tell me what are the questions I want to discuss from 11.2?
Good afternoon, Diya.
Good afternoon, Shaspit. Check your homework. I'm going to discuss the difficult questions from 11.1 and 11.2. So can you tell me what questions you want me to discuss?
Miss, I want the miscellaneous question. 5 and
Okay,
6.
then if you have no questions from 11.1 exercise and 11.2 exercise, I'll discuss the miscellaneous exercise.
Okay, Miss.
Okay. Uh, in the miscellaneous exercise, there are how many? 6 questions are there. So first of all, we'll let you to attempt, but before that, I'll explain the first question so that it will be a good start for you all. Right. The first question says, a certain central school has classes from grade 1 to the advanced level. There are 600 students in grade 1 to 5 and 500 students in grade 6 to 11. The number of students in the advanced level class is 340. Represent this information in a pie chart. Okay, let's represent this information in a pie chart, right? If you have anything to discuss from the exercises, please let me know. So don't keep your doubts in any of the lessons. Okay, if you have no questions, we can go to the...
Yeah, I have a doubt.
Ah, yeah, which one? Tell me soon.
Fourth one, Diya.
Fourth one from which exercise?
Miscellaneous. Miscellaneous.
Miscellaneous. Ah, miscellaneous, okay. Miscellaneous. Now only I'm going to discuss the miscellaneous. So no worries
Okay,
in
okay.
that one. Okay, right. Wait a second. The Azan is saying we'll wait for a few minutes. Okay, right. Now look at the board. The grades are taken here separately. Number of students are taken separately. Now we are going to find the angle, because if we know the angle only, we can show it in represent on the pie chart, right? Okay. Now we'll see how to find the angle. Number of students over. About what should we write?
Total number of students.
Yes, tell me. About
Total
what
number
value should we write down the given number of students?
1,440.
The total number of students, 1,440. Is it correct? Yes, 1,440 total students. Right. Now, multiplied by what value?
360.
360, the total angle at the center. Here 500 upon 1,440 into 360. Here 340 upon 1,440 into 360. So if you didn't understand, if anybody didn't understand, how can we find the angle at the center? That value which we are taking and the total value should be written in the denominator, and it should be multiplied by the magnitude, the angle, right? Now solve this and get the angles. Quickly copy down and solve this and get the angles. And draw the pie chart and represent it. Draw the pie chart and represent it. So when we are done with this lesson, we are done with all the lessons today. So suppose if we finish discussing miscellaneous exercise early today, I am planning to discuss one of your unit test papers with you all. We'll see. Did you get the values?
Yeah, teacher.
Right. Tell me what is the value for grade 1 to 5, the angle magnitude?
120.
120, right? Is that correct? Okay, 120.
I got 125.
125. Okay, then we'll solve and see. There's a mistake somewhere. 0 and 0 cancel, right? So if you consider 600 and 144, by what value can we divide both of them?
12.
By 12. Okay, 144, if we divide by 12, you are getting 12. 600 divided by 12 means you are getting 50. Is that correct?
Yeah, I got 150. No?
Okay, we'll see. 50 divided by 2 is 25. Hima, you listen carefully. This is dividing by 2, 6. 6 times 1 and 6 times 6. Now you are getting 25 multiplied by 6. That means 150. Okay. Now, Rifana, what did you get?
120.
Oh, 125. Right. Here 0 and 0 cancel. Again, you can divide these two by what? Can we divide 500 by 12? I don't think we can. We have to go with, let's tell 2 times table. 500 divided by 2 times table is how much?
250.
Yeah, 250. 144 divided by 2 times table, you get 72. Now 250 and 72, again you can divide by 2 times table. You will get 125, and if you divide 72 by 2, what do you get? 36. Then here this 36 and this 36 cancel. You are getting 125 students. Is that correct?
Correct, teacher.
Okay, if anybody didn't understand, please tell me. This 0 and 0 cancel. Again, you can divide these two by what? Can we divide by 4 times table? I think we can. 85, 4 times table, if we divide, we are getting 85. 144 divided by 4 times table, we get 36. Again, 36 and 36 cancel, and you are getting 85. So all these are coming in degrees. Magnitude is degree. Is that correct, children?
Correct, teacher.
Yeah, Miss,
Okay.
correct.
Okay, good. Now we can draw the pie chart. So when you draw the pie chart here, how can we show which portion should we draw it as a bigger part?
150, grade 1 to 5.
Yeah, 150, because that primary class section only have the highest number of students. So 150 means is 180. We can draw something like this. Can't see any. Right. You can draw it 150, 125, 180, 270. 85 is something like this. You can take 85. It's 2. No, it's not correct. Can get a better one. Like this way, we can show for which part?
Yes, we can put this for grade 6 to 11.
Yeah, 6 to 11, we can say 125 for that part. Yes. And the bigger part we can take for, like here, if I take this one as 90, 85 somewhere like this way. So we can show 85 degree and we can take 150 like this. It's not exactly straight line. You can't draw exactly a straight line. Right. Okay. Now go to the second question. Go to the second question. The information gathered from the employees of a certain factory with the aim of providing transport is given below. Mode of transport is given in one side and number of employees given in one side. Represent this information in a pie chart. This is also same, children. You can draw a table like this: mode of transport, number of employees, angle. Try to do it now quickly. Do it fast. Once you're done, raise your hand. Like if we finish early, like even we can go to past paper questions. That's also a good idea. Trying for past paper questions. Right, 2 of them are done. Very good. Okay, let's discuss. Walking, cycling, bus. I put these small WCB letters. Walking, it's 110. Let me leave some space. Cycling, it is 100. and bus 690. In total, how many are there? 890 plus 10 means 900.
900.
Now we find the magnitude. 110 over 900 multiplied by 360 degree. 100 over 900 multiplied by 360 degree. 690 over 900 multiplied by 360 degree. Now we are going to solve it. 0, 0, 0, 0, cancel, 0 and 0, cancel. Both of them are divisible by which number? Directly we can cancel.
Miss, we can cancel the other zero. So
From 9 times table, we can cancel. Yeah, from here we can 0 and 0. 9 times 1 and 9 times 4. You are getting here 44 degrees. This 0 and this 0 cancel. 9 times 1 and 9 times 4, 40 degrees. Okay. Then this one 0 and 0 cancel. 9 times 1 and 9 times 4. Now 69 times 4 is how much?
266
degree. Very good. So you in your exam,
This is 276.
76. Okay. In your exam, to make sure you are correct, please total this and see whether you are getting 360. So we'll total 84. So 84 means you are getting here. Yeah, 360 is coming. So it's okay. Just for your safety, right? Now we'll draw the pie chart. 276. So how can we draw 276, the bigger portion? So before we go to the bigger portion, we'll draw the smaller ones. So first we'll draw the smallest one, that is by cycling. So if I say this is 90 degree, I need 40 degree. So half of 90 is 45. So less than that. This one I can consider as for cycling. Okay. 44 degree means this is enough. This is okay. Even less than this a little bit. Yeah. You're getting for this one, walking. And this remaining portion you can consider as for
bus.
by bus. Can you understand? So children, how can you show this in your exam? You can, use something like this way. Let me erase this one. Like this way I can color. And for this one, I can put kind of something like dots and all. So I can show this colored portion is for what? Cycling. This portion with dots for walking. The portion empty is for by bus. Like that you have to represent. Or as when you have colors and all, you can color, but there is no time to color and all. So best option is to do something like this and represent it. Okay. Right. Is the question clear? First and second one. Everyone, is it clear for you all?
Yes,
Yes,
teacher.
Okay. Now go to the third question. The
Clear,
sum
teacher.
of the. Okay. Now go to the third question then. Sum of the water, electricity, and telephone bill. Represent the information in a pie chart. Right. 3 of them are done with the work. So let's discuss now. The question says the sum of the water, electricity, and telephone bill. So I'll just write down water, electricity, and telephone bill. Of a household of month of January was 2,700. The total bill is 2,700. So let's see how the 2,700 is formed. Electricity bill 1,440. So see, now they're confusing you. Electricity bill is given first. Water bill is 750. All right. They have not provided us a telephone bill, but we can find it. Right. You can do the working somewhere. From 2,700, you can subtract the sum of 750 and 1,440. And how much do you get when you add both of them together? Yes, somebody tell me.
Miss
500.
500.
How much?
510.
For the balance you're telling.
Yeah, miss.
Yes, 510. Now, okay. Now we are going to find what? Angle. Angle magnitude. How can we find this? If you want the angle of water, you're writing the water amount. Below that, what should you write? The total amount, 2,700. Now, since angle, sum of the angle is 360 degree. Then we are multiplying by 360. Now, the second one, 1,440 upon 2,700. Multiply by 360 degree. So please write it, have some space and write 510 over 2,700 multiplied by 360 degrees. Simplification is in your hand. 0 and 0 cancel, 0 and 0 cancel, 0 and 0 cancel, these zeros cancel, these 0 cancel, these 0 cancel. Now look at these two, we can divide by what? 9 times table?
9.
Yeah, 9 times
9, 3.
10, 9 times 4. Then 75, is it divisible by 3?
Yeah, 50.
Yeah, it's divisible. It's
Yeah,
divisible.
20.
3 times 1 and 3 times 25. 25 times 4 is 100 degree. That's done. Now here, 9 times 3 and 9 times 4. Is this divisible? Yeah, it's divisible. 3 times 1 and 3 times 4, 8, 48. 4 times 8 is 23, 46, 90, 192. Yeah. This one, 9 times 3 and 9 times 4. Is this divisible? Yeah. 3 times 1 and 3 times 17.
68 degree.
Yeah, 68 degree. Done. Now we are going to represent it in a pie chart. So you can draw a pie chart. We are taking the smallest value first of all, 68 degree. 180. 68 means 90. Less than that, 45. Something like this way. 68 degree. Then 192 means 180 is a straight line. 100 means less than that. Something like this way. A little bit slanted line. I can take for, is it enough? Yeah, 109 to 100 degree I can put here. 192 I can take it for here. It should be greater than 180. Is that correct? Is that okay for you all?
Yeah, teacher.
Okay.
Right. Now
Okay.
this lesson seems like easy, right? I think this will be the most easiest lesson from the first term. Do
Yeah.
the fifth one. Yeah, do the fifth one.
Yeah, I have doubt.
Teacher, fourth one is a doubtful question.
Fourth
Fourth one doubt.
Why? Sorry, not the fifth one, fourth one. Fourth one, let's see. Let me read the fourth one. It says a certain welfare society decided to select one of the following 3 cities, Polonnaruwa, Anuradhapura, Kandy, as the destination of their annual trip. Then what? 1/4 of the members expressed their preference for Polonnaruwa, while 36 members preferred Kandy and remaining 54 preferred Anuradhapura. How many members did the welfare society have? Okay, it's not hard. They have asked the question in a little bit of a different manner. Let me explain this to you. The ones who can do it alone, do it. Right, let me come to the question. Give me 1 second. Right. First of all, we'll write down the destinations. I can write down Polonnaruwa, Anuradhapura, Kandy. They're planning for a trip. So 1/4 of people are saying Polonnaruwa, 36, not 36, 54, no? 54 students are saying Anuradhapura and 36 people are saying Kandy. So the total of these two together, I can write down Anuradhapura plus Kandy is how much? 90.
90.
Yeah. So one thing that we know is 4 parts in children. Out of 4 parts, 1 part is only telling Porannaru. Then remaining how many parts are there?
3.
3 parts.
3 parts. That means these 3 parts out of 4 are total of Anuradhapura and Kandy. Now we are getting one hint. Anuradhapura plus Kandy, that is 90. That is representing three parts out of 4. So can't you find for 1 part then? 1 part out of 4.
1 part is 33.
Yeah, 1 part out of 4. If you want to find how, what should we do? 90 should be divided by 3. Can you understand? 90 should be divided by 3. Is that clear for you?
Yeah, teacher.
Explain a different way. Let me explain a different way. Let's say like this. 3 out of 4 are represented by 90 members. Now my question is, 1 out of 4 means how much? Now tell me.
90 over 3.
90 over 3. That is equal to how much? 30.
30.
students. Right. Now, there, what is the first Roman number asking for you? First Roman number is asking how many members did the welfare society have? So here 30 and here 90. Altogether, how many? Like
120.
120. So therefore, total students or total students is 4 upon 4. That is 30 into 4, 120. Can you understand?
Yeah, teacher.
Right. Now represent the information in a pie chart. So you have to find the magnitude and all. For Roman number 2, you have to find the magnitude. This one I can write it as 30. Now show the magnitude. 30 upon 120 into 360. 54 upon 120 into 360. 36 upon 120 into 360. Get me the answers as magnitudes. Hima should tell me all the magnitudes. Tell me all the magnitudes, find and tell me.
Teacher,
Yes, Hima, tell me the answers.
Polonnaruwa 90 degrees,
Okay.
Anuradhapura 162,
162 degree. Okay.
Kandy 114.
114.
Yes.
Okay. Are these answers correct?
Last one wrong.
Last
This
one
last
is
one
wrong.
180 degrees.
Yeah, why is last one wrong? It should be 108. Here, Hima, 0 and 0 cancel. 12 times 1 and 12 times 3. 36 into 3 is 108. You have to total and see children. That's why I said you all can do mistake. You all are still children. Like you all, even we do mistakes. So please check whether you are getting 360. Then only you can see the answers are correct or wrong. Okay, now you can represent the information on a pie chart. I think I don't want to draw, you can represent it. Draw pie chart, take 90 degree exactly and say it's Polonnaruwa. 162 means less than 180. So something like this is enough. So you can show for this one Anuradhapura Candy, yeah, and Polonaru. Right, now go to question number. Hima, did you understand your mistake?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, now go to question number 5. 5 is little different. They are asking the number, not the angle. So do it correctly.
Is it decimal answer? Okay, no.
No, you won't get decimals because there are number of watts. So people doesn't become decimals. They're asking following pie chart illustrates the number of votes received by 4 parties at an election. Party which received the most number of votes received a total of 9,300. Mark it on your pie chart. Draw that pie chart in your book and near the largest magnitude, near that one, write down 9,300. So using that one, you can find for 360 degree. If 150 degree is 9,300, the whole thing means 360 degree, you can find it easily. I'm not going to help, just use your knowledge and do it. Once you are finished, raise your hand. Okay, good. Sabiha is done. Right. Okay, let me little explain you the question. how many watts in total did the 4 parties receive? So I will have to draw the pie chart. Without drawing it, it's a little difficult. (150°). 45. 75. So this magnitude they have not given. We can find it. But, so we'll find it first of all. If you have to find it from 360, you have to subtract the sum of 75 plus 45 plus 150°. Okay. So when you add all these three together, how much do you get?
270.
270.
270. So 360 minus 270 is how much?
110.
Yes, 90°. 90°. So this is actually a 90° children. Okay. Now we'll go to the other part. 75. How many watts in total did all the 4 parties receive? Yeah. Now already they have given us one hint. The only hint given for us is that 150° means 9,300. So we can write down 150° means 9,300. Now we wanted to know 360° altogether. 360° means what is the number? How can we find it?
9,300 divided by 150.
9,300 should be divided by 150. Only that? It's for
Yeah,
finding 1° child. If you are doing this way,
Into 360.
into 360, because this is for 1°. 360° means you have to multiply. So when you solve this, we'll solve and say 0 and 0 cancel. From 3 times table, yeah, 3 times 5 and 3 times 12. Then this one is divisible by 5. If you divide by 5, how much do you get? 43.
Miss, we can find the 1% value. Then that is needed for the other Roman number 3 and 4 to do.
We'll see. Okay. Okay, right. We'll find for 1% if you need. No problem. It's fine. That's okay. 1%, 1°. 9,300 divided by 150. Okay. 0, 0 cancel. 900 divided by 15. Both are divisible by 5 times table. 5 times 3 and what is this? 5 times.
We can divide by 15 itself.
15 itself? Yeah. Ne?
62. 15 times 62 is 930.
Then it's easy. 15 times 1 and 15 times
62.
Okay, 62° comes. Now this one you can multiply for 360. 62 into 360. What did you get?
22,320.
Yes, 22,320. It's correct. This is the value for total number of votes. Roman number 1 answer. Roman number 2, it says, how many votes in total did the party in the 3rd position receive? 3rd position means, let me place them: 1st place, 2nd place, 3rd place, and 4th place. Now 3rd position means 90°. So we have to find out 90° means how many. So 1° is 62. 90° means 62 into 90. What did you get?
Miss, then isn't the 90° second place, second highest?
Wait.
75 degrees third, right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
This is 90°. This is
Both is
90°.
45.
Yeah, that will be there. 75, ne? 75, yes. Okay, 75 into 62, how much?
2,790.
2,790.
Miss, sorry, it's 45 degrees. 4,650.
Yeah, 4,650 watts. Roman number 3, it says, express the number of watts that the party in the 4th position.
Teacher, the right side board is not visible.
Sorry. Fourth position means 45 degree. Part in the fourth position, what? Received as a fraction of the total. Total votes means out of 360 degree. So first of all, we can simplify this as a fraction. What is it? 45, and both are divisible by 45 times table itself. Yeah, 45 times 1 and 45 times 8. 1 upon 8 is the answer, because they are asking number of votes. Part in the fourth position received as a fraction of total number of votes. So you can take the magnitude also, or else you can find the number of votes also, that's fine. So let's do it that way also. 45 degree means how many votes? 62 into 45. What did you get, children?
2790.
790. Okay, if you want to write down this one, 2790 upon total number of votes, 22,320. If you simplify both of them, what is the fraction you get? What did you get? Can you tell me? Both are divisible by 3 times table here. 3 times 9, 3 times 3.
So this also 1 hour.
14 means 4, 12. Again 12 means 4. Again it's divisible by 3. Again by 3 it's divisible. 3 times 31. This one had 3 times 14 means 4, 12. 8, 248. So again, by what you can divide? 31 upon 248. Is it divisible again? Yeah, by 31 times table. 31 times 1 and 31 times 8. Now see, you're getting the same answer here and here. That's what I told you. You can use the number of votes, or else you can use the magnitude. Is that clear?
Yes, miss.
Everyone? Safia, is it okay?
Yes, teacher.
All right. Roman number 4 then. Using the pie chart, write down the number of votes that the party in second position received as a percentage of the total number of votes. Now, second position party, what is the magnitude? 90 degree out of 360 degree. Right? That means 1 upon 4. Now, as a percentage means multiply by 100%. You are getting 25%. Now, you can do in this method also, or else what you can do? Find the number of votes for 90 degree, write it upon the total number of vote and multiply by 100. That method is also correct. Okay. Anyway, you should get 25%. Is this question completely clear for everyone?
Yeah,
Yes,
teacher.
Right, good. Now go to the last question, question number 6. Once you are done with the question, raise your hand. Okay, now we'll discuss. Enough time, I guess. Okay, it says the pie chart given below illustrates the information gathered from the members of a sports club regarding the indoor sports they like the most. Okay, let me just write the values. It's easy for me. 40 degree, 150 degree, 30 degree. What is the remaining angle, children?
140 degree.
140.
Okay, chess, carom, draughts, 140 degree. Is it correct? 100, 200, 240,
Yeah, it is.
250, 200. Yeah, it's correct. That is for table tennis. Number of members who like chess the most is 8. This is given as 8. Right. Now start from there. If 40 degrees representing 8, 1 degree means 40 upon 8. 5. 5. Okay. Now one by one you can find easily. But we'll see what are they telling. Which indoor game is liked by the most, by the greatest number of members? Okay, how can we find then? Easy.
5 to
Highest magnitude is carom.
Carom.
So carom is the answer. Next one. How many members like carom most? How many members they are asking? So if
5
one
on
member, if 1 degree is 5, 150 degree means 150 into 5.
750.
150.
150 members. Write down the answer. Wait, is it correct? 150 degree carom.
This is correct, no?
Wait a second.
Yeah, teacher.
How many members like carom the most? How many members like carom the most? 40 degree represents 8. 1 degree is 40 divided by 8, 5. There's a mistake here. Can you notice it? Hmm? 40 degrees representing 8 members. 1 degree represents 40 degree upon 8. Do you get it in numbers if we divide like that?
Yeah, 8 times 1 and 8 times 5.
Wait a second. Yeah, okay, right. Have they given the total number of students? No, right? They have not given that also. Right, we'll do it this and go 150 degrees, 750 members. How many members like table tennis the most?
1,800 comes.
For which one? For the third Roman number?
No, miss, total
Total, okay. Right, third Roman number, how many members like the table tennis? Table tennis is 140 degree. 1 degree is 5 members. 140 degree means 140 into 5.
700 members.
700 degree.
720 members. Is that correct?
700, right?
700.
Yeah, 700. 700 members, yes. 700 members. Is that okay?
Yeah, miss.
Yeah, teacher.
Yes, miss.
But I have a doubt here. I'm having a small problem. What is it? Like this is in degrees, okay? This is in members. If we divide this, can we get it in members?
Even I have that question, miss. That's why I was
Another issue is there. Look at this one, will you? I'll do Roman number 3 again. It's like this. 40 degree means 8 members. What is 140? 140 degree means, then I can say degrees cancel. 0, 0 cancel. This is 2. This is 7. This is 2 times 1, 2 times 4. Now what do you get? 28 members. This is possible. This is large number as well and not possible.
Miss, we can do like this. 40 divided by 8 multiplied by 150.
Multiply by not 150, ne? No, 40 divided by 8 is wrong. Why am I saying? If you do that way, you're getting the magnitude only. You won't get
Miss,
in.
8 divided by 40 multiplied by 150. Then we
Yeah,
will get
8
40
divided by
members.
40 is the correct method. But rather than finding for 1 degree here, we better go with just finding the answer. Wait a second. This is third Roman number, correct? Third Roman number, correct? Second Roman number. It says to find how many members like Karam Mosni. How many members? So let me go like this. 40 degree means 8. So what is that? Karam. 150 degree means how many? Now if I solve this one, 4 times 1, 4 times 2, 30 members. Can you understand? 30 members. This should be the answer. But why? How? If you are finding for 1 degree, then how can you find?
Then
Why
we
did
will
we get
multiply by
wrong?
360.
Divide by 360?
No, miss, we multiply by 360.
No, if we multiply by 360 also, we don't get a proper answer. Like, you know, you are saying something like this, 40 degree means 8. 1 degree means, here see, this is the way. 40 degree means 8. 1 degree means 8 upon 40 only 1 degree. It's not 40 upon 8. Did you understand the mistake what we did? So this should be the way for finding for 1 degree. That means 1 upon 40 means what? 5. Did you understand?
yes, miss.
Copy down the
Yes.
correct one. So you have to be very careful in that case, children. Luckily we noticed it, right? Now we can go to past papers.
Wait, teacher. Don't waste.
Okay. Yeah, no problem. You all can take the time.
Okay, teacher.
Yeah, sets is not related to first term. It is related to second term. So I'll be doing the sets lesson in the second term class only. And don't worry for that one, because anyway you know about my sessions, right? When I'm doing a lesson, I used to revise all the things from the grade 6 things. So no worries, I'll be revising what you missed in grade 9. I'll be revising what is sets from the beginning. I'll be starting, so don't worries about that. It will be a very clear session, no problem, and we'll be doing lots of questions. So even the students who are not coming for the second term class, you all also can come to the sets lesson. So when it is being done, I think probably next week we'll be starting the lesson on Wednesday. So if you are interested, you can join. Right, now we'll go to the past paper questions. So I won't be telling you the past paper year right now. I'll be giving you the question. You have to answer after the discussion. I'll be telling you what the year is. Okay, write down the question. Put a subtopic, past paper questions. Past paper questions. Okay, now write down question number 1. A pie chart prepared. A pie chart prepared to depict the information, to depict the information obtained about I have sent in the group. If you want, you can look at the message in the group as well. Soon I'll share it here also. It's easy then for you all. Right, you can see the question here on the screen. Copy down the pie chart as well. Do the question and raise your hand so that I know that you're done with the question. Right. Have you finished? I can give you another 3 minutes. Right. Now look at the question. A pie chart prepared to depict the information obtained about the candidates who sat for a competitive examination in Sinhala, Tamil and English medium is shown here. Now you can see in the diagram they have represented Sinhala, Tamil and English in 3 magnitudes where Sinhala is 200 degree, Tamil 120 degree and the remaining angle is for English. The first question is find the angle of the sector representing the English medium candidates. So it's not a difficult thing for you. The total magnitude is 360 degree, right? From 360 degree, I'll do the working here. From 360 degree, you have to subtract the sum of 200 degree and 120 degree. So you are getting here 360 degree minus 320 degree. So how much is the answer? 40 degree. Okay. So they have given 2 marks for that one. Next one, number of Tamil candidates was 60. Now they have given that 120 degree means 60 students. Find the total number of candidates who sat for the examination. So that means we can find in this manner. 120 degree means how many? 60. So what is 360 degree? So degree and degree cancel. 0, 0 cancel. 12 ones and 12 threes. Final answer is 180. Is that correct?
Yes.
Yes, miss.
180 students. Not degree, 180 students. Right. That question is done. Now I'll send you the next question to the group and I'll share it here also.
Teacher, you didn't send the marks for perimeter paper yet, right?
No, I didn't send. The thing is, this is the second question. Yeah, the thing is like, what did I say? I have marked your perimeter paper and square root paper. And now remaining is fractions paper. What I thought is like to send the marks, everything together, like, by writing your names and the lesson and marks and also that easily you all can notice what lesson you all have low marks. Right, do this question. The previous question is from 2013 paper. It's a big question. It's a 10-mark question. This is a 10-mark question. I'll give you 10 minutes.
Finish, teacher.
Others, please raise your hand when you're done. Okay, now we'll go to discussion. The pie chart given in the figure shows how a certain group of farmers selected various types of vegetable for growing. Now, this is a type of question taken from a certain year, part B type question. So, it is coming under the category of compulsory question. And this is a 10-mark question. So, this is how you get pie chart or data representation questions based on pie chart. Okay. Now, the question is continuing. The number of farmers who selected pumpkin is equal to the number of farmers who selected brinjals. So first of all, we will have to find out the magnitude. Okay, so I'll off the screen and I'll on the board because I have to do the working there. All right, now here see, if I take, I won't draw the pie chart. I'll just write down the values here. Ladies' fingers. Ladies' fingers magnitude is 90 degree. Green beans. Green beans magnitude is 30 degree. And they have given you a hint. The hint is for the pumpkin and for the brinjals, the magnitudes are equal. Okay, so I can write down the same. Pumpkin equal to brinjals. Okay, now we'll find the remaining angle. So 360 degree minus 90 plus 30. How much you get? 120 should be subtracted. Is that correct?
240.
Yeah.
240.
240.
240 should be divided by 2. Then only we can
120.
get equal. This step should be correct first. If not, everything is getting wrong. Now I know these two are 120. One part is done. Number of farmers who selected pumpkin. Okay. Find the magnitude of the angle at the center of the sector that represents farmers who selected brinjals. Okay, we have found it. So Roman number 1 working you should do. From 360, you have to subtract sum of 90 plus 30. Then you can see it is equal to 240 degree. This 240 degree should be divided by 2. You are getting 120 degree. This working should be definitely done. Because why do I say that? You are getting marks. For subtracting this one, you are getting 1 mark. For getting the final answer, you get 1 mark. For getting this 240 degree, you get 1 mark. Okay. Roman number 2 now. Number of farmers who selected green beans is 15. That means 30 degree is equal to 15. Find the number of farmers who selected pumpkins. So this is easy. 30 degree is 15 means 120 degrees how much? 0, 0 cancel. 3 times 1, 3 times 4. 4 times 15 means 60 farmers. Okay, is that clear?
Yes, miss.
For this working, you get 1 mark. For the final answer, you get 1 mark. Now, Roman number 3. Find the total number of farmers represented in the pie chart. Total number of farmers means for 316 children. 30 degree means 15 farmers. 360 degree means 0, 0 cancel. 3 ones and 3 12. 12 times 15. How much?
60. Sorry, miss. No.
180. Multiply 12 times 15. 180 farmers. Check your answers now. Marks are given. Put the correct marks. For this one, 1 mark. For doing this simplification, you get 1 mark. Check what is your real marks. Now you all told this is the easiest lesson. So see whether you get 10 marks. Roman number 4. After 1 year, this is the analytical question. 20 farmers who had been growing brinjals stopped growing vegetables. Find the magnitude of the angle at the center of the sector which represents the farmers growing brinjals. Brinjal means 120. So 20 farmers left. 20 farmers left. Okay, wait a second. First of all, we have to find 120 means how many? 120 means how many farmers? Right, I had to do the Roman number 4 separately. So shall I erase these things?
Yeah,
Yes.
teacher.
Okay,
Okay,
I'm erasing. Okay. Right, now let me come to the question. 30° means how many farmers they told us? 15.
50.
120° means 0, 0 cancel, 3 ones and 3 4. 4 times 15, 60 farmers. Okay, right. Now from these 60 farmers, 20 farmers are leaving. From 60 to 20 are leaving. That means now only 40 farmers are doing brinjal. Now only 40 farmers are doing brinjal. Okay, so what? Find the magnitude of the angle at the center of the sector which represent farmers growing brinjal in a new pie chart drawn considering the changed data. Right. Now tell me, if my question is, if 60 farmers are equal to 120°, if 60 farmers are equal to 120°, 40 farmers are equal to how many degrees? 0 and 0 cancel, 2 times 2, 2 times 3. 120 divided by 3 means you are getting 40 degree. Is that correct? No, multiply by 2, 80 degree. So new magnitude. Did you understand this one? What did I do here? 60 farmers are 120°. Now new number, 40 farmers means how many? This is degree. Farmers cancel. Answer comes in degree. 0, 0 cancel. 6 and 4 by 2 times table I cancelled. 120 divided by 3 is 40. 40 into 2 is 80. This is the new magnitude. Is that clear now?
Yeah,
Getting
teacher.
1 mark here. 1 mark here. And 1 mark for the working. And for finding the number of farmers, 1 mark. Now tell me, out of 10 marks, what is your total?
Miss, we should draw a pie chart, right?
Yeah, we have to, they have they have asked to draw it. No. They're telling find the magnitude of the sector which represent the farmers growing brinjal in a new pie chart drawn considering. Suppose if a new pie chart is drawn, what is the magnitude that should be represented? So it's not a must to draw. You can just find the magnitude. Now tell me what is your marks out of 10? Very good. Good marks are there, right? I received few. Okay, 7 is there, 9 is there, 10 is there. 8 is also there. Good. Okay, Hima sent, Sabiha sent, Rifana sent, Sahdia sent. Shaskrit, what's your marks? Right, okay. Now we'll go to the next question. This will be the last question I'm discussing from the past paper. Do this one. It's also a 10-mark question.
Teacher, which year past paper is the last question?
Previous one is 2016 past paper, Ifana. 2016.
Okay, teacher.
Once you're done, raise your hand. Do it correctly. Try to get 10 out of 10. Only one still done?
Done, teacher.
Everyone finish it soon. Okay, right. We'll discuss now the fourth question. This is also from one of the recent year past papers. So they're asking to write the number of students who selected art as a fraction of the total number of students. Okay, now look at this one. They haven't given us any of the magnitude. They haven't given us any of the magnitude, but still we can find because they have asked us to find the fractional form. Okay, first of all, tell me, are you all done with the question, everyone?
Yeah, miss.
Okay, then I'm discussing. If not, no point if you have not done.
Okay.
Okay, right. So now here we have to take some algebraic forms. If not, we can't do this properly, right? Okay, so let me close the screen. Right, okay. Now let me draw the pie chart. It's given art, dancing, right? Yeah, dancing, art, music. So I'll put X degree. Let's say this one is like, this is, we don't know, like which says, okay, first we'll write X here. For music, like we'll say how many you can see. How many times? Each student in grade 6 of a certain class had to select exactly one of the three subjects. How the students select these subjects are given. Number of students who selected dancing is 3 times the number of students who selected art. So if art is X, dancing is 3X. Number of students who selected music is 5 times the number of students who selected art, 5X. Now X plus 3X plus 5X is equal to what?
360.
360 degree. Therefore, 1x is equal to 360 divided by
9.
how much? 9. So you get 40 members, 40 students. 1x is 40 students. That means art is 40 students, right? So we'll write down that art is equal to x, that is equal to 40 students. Now 3x, dancing is 3 times that. 3 times 40 means 120. Music, 5 times 40. 5 times 40 means 200. Is that correct?
That is.
Yes.
Yes. Now what's the Roman number 1? Find the number of students who selected art as a fraction of the total. Number of students art is 40. Total student is how much?
300.
360. This is easy to solve. So we are going to write this as a fraction. So when you're writing it as fraction, what do you get here? 0, 0 cancels, 1 upon 9. You got 1 upon 9.
Yes, I got.
I got
Yes.
it.
Okay, Roman number
Yes,
1,
I also
1
got.
upon 9. Yeah, for this one, you are getting 2 marks. Why 2 marks? Because of this working. Without doing this, we can't come to this. So for here, you are getting 1 mark. And for this, you are getting 1 mark. Roman number 2 now. Calculate the magnitudes of the angles at the center of the sector corresponding to the 3 subjects. Okay, that one we have already found. This one. For the 3 subjects, magnitude of the angle. Yeah. Angle, how can we find?
Miss, we can find it with the students.
Yeah, with the students means 360 students are there, right? In total, 1 degree means then 1 student.
Yeah.
Yeah, 1 degree is for 1 student. So if we want to find for art, it is 40 degree. Dancing,
40.
120 degree. Music, 200 degree. Right?
Yeah.
That's all. So what's the answer? Marks. Marks for Roman number 2. You are getting 3 marks. 1 mark for finding each. Okay, done. If the number of students, Roman number 3, I know they are saying something else also. Write them on the relevant dotted lines in the given pie chart. So you can write it on the pie chart, no problem. Roman number 3, if the number of students who selected art is 30. Now they are saying, suppose number of students who selected art is 30. Find the total number of students in the grade 6 class. How can you find?
Multiply 30 by 9.
30 by 9. Yes, because 1x means 360 upon 9. And you know, it's 1 upon 9. So for whole thing, for the whole grade 6 class, grade 6 has how many students? 30 into 9. You are getting how much? 270. Is that clear?
Yeah,
How many
teacher.
marks for that one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, and there's another 1 mark given for writing on the pie chart. For marking on the pie chart, they have given 1 mark. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 4 marks is too much.
Teacher,
Remaining
can you explain me the second one?
second one is like this only. Here we found 40 students are represented by X. Okay, after that we found for 3x 120, 5x 200. Then all together we found there are 360 students. Is that correct? 2, 3, 300, yeah, 360 students are there, Hima. Okay, so Hima, if 360 students are there, x is represented by 40. That 40 means 40 degree represented for R. Then 120 students by 120 degree, because 3 times this one. 5x means 5 times 40, that is 200 degree. So in this question, number and the magnitude are getting equal. So 360 students means 360 degree. So one student is represented by 1 degree. Is that clear?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. And also children will give like this. For marking on the pie chart, take as 3 marks for each. There are 3 dotted lines. Take for 3 marks. Then all together, Roman number 2, totally you are getting 6 marks. Roman number 3, you take 2 marks for the calculation and the final answer. Now put your marks out of 10. That's all. So the lesson data representation is over now. So totally your first term lessons are over. In your coming sessions, I will be discussing your unit test papers as well. So please keep doing your unit test papers. Discussions will be done. And your final, until your final term test, we'll be doing unit test. I mean, we have done now up to binomial expression. We have remaining lessons, right? So those things also we have to complete. After that only I'll be giving you the final term paper. Then first term class batch is over. Okay. So until the last, please stay with me. We'll do it. And finally, after doing the paper, you all can stop the class. Like stop in the sense it's over. First term is over. Only second term will be going. So the students who are not coming for second term, you all also can join for second term class. They are onward. But they are also, we are like almost done. I think we have sets only remaining. So probably if we have time, we could go for third term as well. Or else we can go with the provincial papers. We can practice papers and all. Right. So is the lesson clear? Data representation?
Yeah, teach.
Okay.
Yes,
That's
Miss,
teacher.
all
do
for
you
today,
have
children.
another one more question?
One more? Which one?
To data representation.
What do you mean?
Miss, like these questions, Miss, do you have extra one?
Ah, you are asking extra question. Ah, okay, extra questions I'll send to the group. Okay, right. So that's all, children. Then we can end the session. God bless you. Have a nice day. Sabiha just put me a reminder in the group. I'll just send you. Now I'm going to leave a little bit. Okay.
Okay.
God bless you. Good evening. Assalamu alaikum.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you, Miss.
Bye, take care.
Okay, bye.